Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a post shareable on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. But now let me show you how you can make a post shareable on Facebook. So first you need to go to the post you want to make shareable. Then you're going to click the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then you're going to click edit audience and you're going to just change the setting to public, so that anyone on or off Facebook will be able to see your posts, and now people will be able to share it. You're gonna just click save and you are done. Alright, so all in all, this is how you make a post shareable on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, that you can also find in the video description below.